Students, today I will be teaching you about parts of flower. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant having male and female reproductive parts. Now here I want to tell you that there are two kinds of flowers. One is unisexual flower and the other is bisexual flowers. If the flower is having both the reproductive parts, if it bears both the reproductive parts, that is male and female, then the flower is known as bisexual flower. But if any flower has only or either male or female reproductive part, it is known as unisexual flower. Now examples of unisexual flower are corn, papaya, cucumber, pumpkin, and by examples of bisexual flowers are rose, China rose, petunia, mustard, etc. Now we will be discussing about the various parts of the flower one by one. Now see, flower has got four whorls. Now these four whorls are sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. Now one by one I'll tell you. Now sepals. Every one of you must have noticed green leaf-like structures which are present at the base of the colored part of the flower or above the stalk of the flower, and these are known as sepals. Now sepals, the function of sepals actually is to provide protection to flower in its initial or bud stage. Now second whorl or second innermost whorl is petals. Now these are bright colored part जो होता है flower का, that is petals. Now they protect the reproductive parts which lie inside the flower. Their function is, because of their bright color, they help in attracting insects for pollination. Now all the petals taken together are also called corolla. Now third part of the flower is, or the male reproductive part of the flower is stamen. Now stamen comprised of two parts. One is anther, the other one is filament. Now filament is tubular structure which supports anther. At the tip of filament, the anther is present, and actually anther is bilobed structure, and inside it are present pollen grains which are the male reproductive units. Now the innermost whorl is the female reproductive part which we call carpel or pistil. Now it comprises of three parts. One is stigma, the other one is style, and the third one is ovary. Now stigma is terminal part of the carpel or pistil which is sticky in nature, and it helps in receiving, or it acts as a platform for receiving the pollen grains during pollination. Now the second part of pistil is style, which is the middle elongated part of carpel, and it helps in attachment of stigma to the ovary. Now the base of style is swollen, and this swollen bottom part of the carpel is known as ovary, which contains ovules, and ovary on maturation becomes fruit, and ovules on maturation turns into seeds. So these were some parts of the flowers, and in this topic you must know about these parts only.